Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video will be totally how to give a dry bath to a puppy, and she is just 2 months and 10 days old, so we cannot give her a proper bath. So how we should give her a dry bath, so what do we need, all those things. This video is totally about that. So what we exactly need is a dry bar shampoo, which I got from Amazon, and I'll be sending the link in the description box. And we also need some water, and I got this plate and some clothes, so that it helps and the water sticks to this, and she will be feeling comfortable, and also to dry clothes, so that we can, after putting the dry bath shampoo, we can clean her. And so this is all we need, and we are about to start the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel and please like the video. So before starting the dry bath, we have to assure that your puppy is totally comfortable, and so we are just about to start. And I'm putting one of my gloves, not two, only one, so that I can easily. So it's totally like, just remember, whenever you're putting any kind of shampoo or whatever you're putting, keep it away from the face. First try to focus on her body. Later part, we can just give her a face wash from by our bare hands and nothing. So we just need to spray like this. So now with some water, we can actually give some. Don't give her so much hot air or blow dry, whatever, because it is not good for her hairs, because they are still in the puppy stage, and we should not use that much. So it's totally like, I'm doing it after many days. Like you can do in within once in a 15 days, as she has not taken her rabies vaccination. So I'm not giving her bath after vaccination. All her, whenever she completes, like in the month of August, I'm giving her a bath, proper bath, which she will be getting her first bath, and I will upload. You can also see. So yeah, it has already formed. We just need some water. So you can, I'll just recommend, I will try to recommend that you should use this dry bath, because how much from my experience, this dry bath is really good, and um, the smell is really good. You should try it. We are about to start how to clean her fits. So one by one we can do that. Okay, so second leg. Okay. So we need to do her two more legs, which she is not showing. I'm trying my level best, so do it. Leg. So we need to clean it. So I'll be just using this for like very gently and all, so that. This was the thing I wanted to share with you people, so I share with this. And if I did any mistake, you can, if I'm wrong in something, you can say me and me in my comment section. And this is how the video ends over here, and it's a goodbye from me and Kyra. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet.